Alright, good morning. We are on our way to Iowa. Alright, we are meeting my grandma for breakfast.
What?
What'd you end up going with?
They've added stuff to it or done
What?
something.
What'd you end up going with?
What did I end up going with?
Yeah.
I don't know.
How did that water get here?
What,
It's probably
what-
yours.
what do you
but
mean?
It looks like she probably gave it with the.
I got
but
an
it's
egg,
not, you know, like I
cheese,
careful with like
scramble.
try to take all- I mean, you guys go to Aldi's, eat whatever, and
Yeah.
so, but you know, so I don't.
I think a lot of it is in your genes, and I think
I wear Levi's.
to get to Brooklyn, you probably spend another at least
Right.
5 minutes
Yeah.
or more.
Right. That's what he was saying after.
Alright, just got our food.
I go, well, that's whatever.
Eating pretty well. The finished product.
What you looking for?
Did you know Quaker Oats and Cedar Rapids?
Alright, to get you guys to click on this, I'm gonna do some clickbait. We just bought a car. This is our new car. Nah, I'm just joking. This is my grandma's car, and we're driving in it. So, yeah. Alright, we have arrived at my grandma's house.
Did you tell me you got the Wi-Fi done?
Yes.
Connected, okay. Grandma has a tablet too.
And obviously, because you're watching this, it's been uploaded. Hopefully you're watching this.
Unplug it.
I don't even know. But from yesterday's vlog, it's taken a while. If you can see that, that is an hour and 20 minutes. So, it's quite a while. So, hopefully that'll get uploaded, because otherwise everything will be delayed, and that's why. But it shouldn't be delayed. My dad's setting up a cooler.
Your fan probably should be set to blow air down if you have
Well,
an air conditioner running.
You might want to do something. I don't know how to do that.
That's what I was wondering, but I'm sure he did the fan out there correctly. Because she would never need it the other way. She should
Right.
always, but I wasn't sure that it
In the
was
summertime,
right.
you blow your air down.
Right.
Because
I know, but
cold
I
air
don't know how to
rises.
change it.
There's a button on top of it.
Well, could you fix it? Or
I think cold air falls, Dad.
No, heat rises, right, heat rises. So
So cold
then
air falls.
cold air falls. Wait a minute, so you want to pull it up then?
Yeah,
Heat
see,
rises,
I'm.
Cold air falls.
I know
So
that
yes,
stuff.
you want it the other way around. In the wintertime, you want it blowing down, and summertime
Well, in
blowing
the
up.
wintertime, I never use it.
That's why I say in the winter, she needs to leave her fans for summertime.
Because I never use
Clicked on and off
Right, 'cause
for
you have plenty of
summertime
heat.
only. But I'm
But
sure that's right.
It
'cause
would
I-
distribute it, it would pull it up, so it would not be as hot down below.
Well, that would be good. So you don't know how it is?
Right now we're going on a little history tour where she's showing us different things in this town.
The biggest class of all, that was
Class of 4.
Lesson 4.
Did there, but in that schoolroom, you had all grades were in there,
4. Oh, 1 through 8.
1 through 8.
This is the, used to be the library, now it's a historical society.
Did we miss the jail?
Sorry. Oh, did we be right by it?
Yep.
We did?
No, we're going there.
Oh,
Turn left.
we're going to jail?
We're going to jail. Don't turn up.
Oh, shooting supply.
That's
Used to be Brownells, but
not
now
anymore.
Brownells have moved to
Brunel.
Urnell, and this is a part of Brownells, but they bought out some clothes up there.
Mm.
And
Down here.
so
That's good. At least they didn't lose all those jobs. Or did they? Maybe, you know.
Source of irritation. Now out here is that big house that you were talking about, Tammy.
But they weren't there.
Is that our house?
To the right. See it?
If we lived here, would we buy that?
Yeah, it's starting to. Those trees are gonna hide it one day. You're gonna go see it.
Wow.
That's Brownell's house. Do they still live there? Or no?
I guess he does. Here, now here's the jail right here.
Where's the jail?
Oh,
To the left. Oh.
now where am I going? To jail? Oh, we're just checking out
Left.
the jail.
Left one.
We wanted to see.
Doesn't look like anybody's in the
Looks
jail.
like nobody's in jail because nobody's watching them.
Well,
There's not a car in sight.
they usually
In my pocket.
look back. I don't know.
Oh, yep. There's one sergeant watching them.
What are they? So they just have a jail with nobody in it?
Well,
There's
police
usually
departments
people
have
in
them,
it. There's this area here. They were thinking about having people build houses here, but they've got it all laid out. But I don't know if anybody's ever gonna build out there or not. It's kind of expensive, they say.
Well, what are those?
Probably electric.
Looking at the
or-
fire hydrants in there in the street.
where are we going here?
Could turn left up here, unless you want to go to Barn City.
Bonnie Manufacturing. The Minners.
This is a car factory.
Has it gotten bigger?
Yeah, it's got that, they built that big building back there, and I guess it's got a huge, some type of press, I don't know.
Are they still around?
Remember where the park? Are you really wrong with that one?
What?
The park.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
We're about to go by.
Same as over there.
All right, we just flew the drone a little bit, and we're going somewhere else. All right, he's just getting gas. And yeah, and we are going to the grocery store to buy some stuff.
Well, I just thought I'd
We're on a mission. We want chip dip. I know I can find it somewhere around here. All right, we're getting close. I can smell it. Where did the chip dip go? I can smell it. Ah, yeah. Where is it? Gotta be over here. Can't smell it anymore. Gonna do, where is the chip dip? Ah, there it is! Creamy spinach. French onion. Chip dip.
Thank you. Wow. Very bright.
I'm sure not something that you want to munch on a daily basis.
Off with a convertible Volkswagen truck, parked illegally. Could end up in jail.
It is a very, I do have to say when I come here to visit, it is a very peaceful from where we live.
I like
you know,
it.
it's,
I mean,
it's,
I like it here.
'cause
I
it, you
didn't
know,
want to come
like,
here from Barn City, but
So there's a hardware store.
oh, this is a wonderful
barber shop?
hardware store.
barbershop, you guys get your hair cut. They got everything you need here.
This hardware store, you should see what all's in there. It's not huge, but oh my gosh. I'll bet they have about anything you'd
Sell
want.
plants too.
Yeah, it's some plants.
Shouldn't go out.
Spring.
You could probably retire early and move here.
Homes are probably cheaper.
Because we wouldn't need as much money.
Sell your home.
All right. We are now going to be going to a pizza place. It's going to be kind of cool. Sounds fun. All right, here we are.
Spicy Italian.
Spicy Italian.
Are you eating pizza or are you going to have something else?
Well, I don't know. I'm thinking.
Salad was great. Yum, yum.
No, I didn't.
The guy that owns
I only had one.
is he a chef?
How many did you eat?
Yeah, and
I
he
had
does,
like two.
His
have some sauce.
Chef Jeff Take It Bakes. He does Take It Bake meals. He caters. He owns this one and he owns this one. And then his sister or his brother-in-law.
To order more?
So it's like two couples.
All right, we were playing dominoes, and so like half an hour ago, we heard this big siren, huge siren. I guess in this town they have volunteer emergency people. So like they sound the alarm and everything goes off out here. So yeah, that was actually one of my aunt. She apparently is okay. She, like, those cotton things was, like, inside her throat. And, like, she just, like, couldn't breathe. And so they called 911. So she's at the hospital, and then we're gonna go see her. And luckily we are here in Iowa. Crazy. So I don't think I can film too much though in the hospital, so we'll see.
So, but then you were able to, right? I mean, what I'm saying is, what they're sending you home. So what does that mean? I mean,
Well, I put it out in the middle, but the car behind me was part of the car.
but what did they do then to so that it's okay now? They what? Oh, it worked its way.
All right.
I assume
Oh,
Travis
Travis is bringing her.
probably did.
So
Because he probably went with her maybe in the, I don't know.
I don't know if
knew
he
that.
went with her in the ambulance
we're
or
heading
not.
back because
But
she is all right.
Tim, I know Travis and
Everything
Melissa
is
were
totally
there,
fine, guys.
and
It is
I
all
don't
right.
know how they went.
She just got released.
He might have
so
went in the ambulance.
just a little
They
freak
discouraged
accident.
that big time.
Okay, maybe he didn't.
But
So yeah, we're all good.
I would guess that
And we're back onto our domino game in a second. He has gone on every
71.
Look at that.
Let me do that.
71 for.
Look at that. Craziness. Crazy. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow we are leaving Iowa. Well, gotta get in the light here. And make sure to subscribe for more content, and we'll see you guys later. Peace.
Is that the highest we don't